So today's practice is going to be a loving kindness meditation, also known as a metta meditation. This is a great practice for generating self-love to begin with, but also realizing we are part of something much greater, and it has a mantra element to it, because you're repeating these phrases to yourself, which is a great thing for focusing the mind. And also it's great to, sometimes we can get so caught up in our thoughts, it's good to think about the well-being of others as well. So finding your comfortable sitting position or lying down position, whatever it is, and doing any adjustments you want. If you want to do a few of the spinal stretches prior to beginning, feel free to do so. Just pause this and come back. And when you're ready, gently closing the eyes and resting the hands somewhere comfortable. Taking a few deep breaths. So exhaling and breathing into the belly, allowing the belly to expand. And exhaling slowly, letting go. Another time, deep, full, long, big breath in. And then breathing out, letting go. Slowly. One more time, last full, big, deep, expansive breath in. And breathing out. Allowing the breath to return to its natural rhythm. Softening the forehead. Relaxing the eyebrows, the eyelids. Relaxing the cheeks and the jaw. Softening the lips, the tongue, the throat. Inviting the body to let go of any holdings, any tension. Inviting the shoulders to be soft. Really relax. At the same time, if you are seated, sitting tall, but gently tall. Taking the time to check in with the body, noticing any areas of tension, inviting them to soften. And noticing any areas that are completely relaxed. So maybe the hands and the feet or the belly or wherever it is, any part of the body that is really comfortable right now. And you can invite that soft, gentle sensation into the parts of the body that feel more tension. Inviting that soft, relaxed quality into those parts that might not be feeling this way in this moment. And recognizing your body in space, so getting a general feeling of the space occupied by your body. Maybe it's just a visual image in your mind's eye that, okay, this is my body here. And you can even put your hands on your heart for this, or a hand on the heart and a hand on the belly. And either saying out loud or in your inner voice, saying, may I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live at peace. And as you're saying these things, really feeling, it might help to imagine you're saying them to someone else, but because sometimes it's easier to love others than it is to love ourselves, but really meaning what you're saying. Be like, really, really wishing this upon yourself. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I be at peace. Really sending that love, those well wishes, really feeling what it is like to wish yourself well, to care for yourself. One last time. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I be at peace. Really feeling it in the body. And then thinking about someone you really care about, someone you love. It could be a close friend, a relative, partner. You can leave your hands on your heart and your belly, or you can put them back down again, whichever is more comfortable. And keeping this person in your mind's eye now. Saying the mantras and really feeling them. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be at peace. Really feeling that feeling, wishing someone well, just wishing them all so much goodness. And another time, same loved person in your mind's eye. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live at peace. Really feeling that love, this expansion of love, expanding to include another. Almost you might even help to visualize as if this ball of light coming from your heart center and radiating out into the world, just this ball growing around you and expanding, this ball of love, of light, expanding to include another. Moving on to think about someone you know, but you don't have any sort of particular relationship with, someone you don't know that well, but you know they exist. So it might be someone who works at your local shop, someone who you pass by on the street regularly, someone who is at work with you, but you don't really know very well. It's finding this person and holding them in your mind's eye. And then wishing them, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be at peace. And really meaning those phrases, really feeling them, how it feels to wish somebody well. As if you were wishing this for someone you really cared about. May you, I'll say that again, may you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be at peace. May you be safe. I'm wishing this person well. It's this bubble of love around you expanding even more to include another. Someone you don't know personally, but still wishing them well. And now expanding the bubble even more. including the whole of the earth, all of the humans, all the animals, all the plants, every single person, every single creature, whole of humanity. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be at peace. Really feeling that, really feeling those feelings of love, of good wishes, sending them out. One more time. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be at peace. Really wishing well to all the creatures of earth, all the plants, all the lands, all the people, all the seas, just really wishing well for all of us here living on this planet. And then to close it off, just to round it back in, sending one last burst of love towards ourselves. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I be at peace. Really feeling how it feels to wish yourself well. Just feeling that love, showing yourself that love, that compassion that you would show someone you loved. You can repeat this for as long as you wish. You can even use it as a tool for healing to sending love to someone you really don't like. Or even expanding it further out to include the whole of the universe and the galaxies. Just really feeling this expansive sense of being part of something much larger and wishing well for it. Because that is the reality of the situation. None of us operates alone in this life. We affect the lives of so many, and so many we don't even know about. And we are affected by the lives of so many others that we don't even know or realize. So sending love to ourselves and sending love to others. It's a beautiful thing. Feeling free to stay in stillness for however long you wish, or feeling free to continue with that practice. Whenever you're ready, gently opening the eyes, taking in the light, coming back to your surroundings. And taking as much time as you want, or I will encourage you to take a little bit more time just to slowly come back into your day without jumping up too fast and rushing back into things. If you can just invite a little bit more of this stillness, a little bit more of this slower pace. Life's not going anywhere. And rushing around kind of makes us more inefficient usually. Anyway, wishing you a beautiful day. My heart to yours. So much love.